Sige. Hello, Buhangin is in the chat. I love that.
Hi, Buhangin!
Buhangin.
Oh my God,
Oh,
bago
Lay
to.
Lemon. Oh, Lay Lemon
Wow,
said,
thank you, Leia Lemon.
alright, do your best pose,
That's a
okay?
neat one.
Best pose, best pose. So, my eyes crossed?
Oh
My
my
eyes
God.
crossed?
One more.
One more. Oh,
Can you do this,
Diana.
Frankie?
How cute ni Diana. Wait, this is my bad side. Like, it's funny we have the same side. So like
Oh!
in person, we always have to like take turns at like being on the side.
Oh.
Or just
Remember when we were shooting mix?
You
So
let me
like,
talk a lot
oh,
though.
it's my turn now. I need to switch places because she wouldn't let me take the left side. So
Guys, here's some tea. We filmed that whole thing in one day. It was probably like a 16-hour day, day. And we had like 4 outfit changes to make it look like a lot of different days. And
oh.
but it was actually one day. So I feel like by the end of it, I was just like, I'm tired. We were drinking coffee back then.
Nakakapagod yan, oo. And we were, ang tawag dito, yun kami nagpapalit-palit ng places. Pero ako yung palagi nagko-compromise.
Oo, sobrang bait nila. Grabe. Kawawa ako. Selfish ako. Ah,
I'm trying to love
Sigma.
my other angle.
Look, Diana, someone sent the thing from Mix.
Ano
Oh my
yun?
gosh, let's pretend we're in Mix right now. Hi, I'm Frankie.
And I'm Diana. And we're your mix.
We're your Mix Celebrity VJs for December.
Oh, ang galing. Alam pa rin natin.
This week on Pinoy Mix. Oh my gosh, I was watching our bloopers the other day laughing. And you're like, Kurt Vic. And I couldn't say
Ano yun? Ano yun?
I'm so immature. Sorry, Kurt
Alam
Vic,
ko
if you're
yun.
out there. We were
Or
laughing.
remember the Billie Eilish?
Hello, Dibs.
Billie Eilish. And we like switch names.
Believe
I'm
it.
Frankie.
I know, I'm like, I'm Diana. I'm like,
Diba?
I'm
I'm
Diana.
Diana.
Ako, Diana pala.
Beautiful.
Okay,
And remember we did the stream after. We went live after 4Mix then. We talked to the fans. Diba?
Fun?
Okay,
Yeah. We did it. It was a big day. We've had a lot of big days.
Mm-hmm.
Remember when we were shooting Provinciano by that McDonald's? And it was like a big shootout scene, you guys. We were filming for 22 hours, no joke. And
when we were at the abandoned building, diba? Oh yeah, that was
no, even before that. It was one of our first ones when we were in those cute dresses and you were in like the sparkly silver top and we were shooting we had to do those like
yeah.
Casey was there too, Casey Montero. And
Yeah.
had like a crazy scene in the bathroom. And we were still there.
Yeah, but that was fun.
And they were the cutest fans. Remember Jasmine, nila Jasmine?
Oh
sila.
yeah, sila Jasmine Bob.
Nagdadala ng mga Starbucks para sa sobrang cute. Because we super needed it, diba? Like, they really thought of us. We're like 22 hours deep into a shoot. We're like,
hindi tayo makalabas nun. Thank you guys. Sobrang na-miss namin kayo. Grabe.
Sobrang miss like seeing you guys sa personal.
Yeah. Especially when like sa mga events sa labas, diba? We get to see them, guestings.
But tingin ko, next year we're gonna feel so much more grateful and like excited that it's gonna be like it'll make up for it, the lack of the past year.
Sana. Go lang ng go next year. Never take anything for granted.
Nothing. It's gonna be ganap after ganap after ganap.
Wow. Where did you learn that? Ganap after ganap after ganap.
What's after in Tagalog? Paano mo sasabihin after sa Tagalog? Pagtapos.
Pagkatapos.
Hindi, it doesn't have the same ring to it, diba? Taglish na lang. Ganap after. Sige, next word. Wait, is it your turn, my turn?
Your turn.
Rudolph. You did Rudolph. Sige.
I'm also whispering. Ano daw? Isa pa, isa pa. Hala siya, hindi ko alam. Ayan
Can
na.
anyone guess in the comments? Don't read the comments.
One more. Move a bit closer to the camera.
I don't like being too close to the camera. I look ugly.
Hindi ko
Don't read the
alam.
comments, but someone's guessed it, so I'm not.
One more, one more. Last,
Okay,
last.
don't look.
Yeah, I'm not looking. Christmas party?
Oh, you got it wrong.
Christmas party? No?
May clue. May isang clue.
Ano?
Tungkol sa'yo.
Happy birthday. Diana's birthday.
Oo.
Ay, Diyos ko. Christmas party. I think.
Hindi naman. You couldn't even guess your own name. Yes.
Oo nga. Akala ko about Christmas.
But it is. It's the same. It's on the same day.
Sa bagay.
I think you would be offended if I said Christmas Eve instead of Diana's birthday. So,
Oh man, no, that's a good one pala, Christmas Eve.
so,
Eto na lang. I'm gonna
hello,
use a
Elijah.
Tagalog word. Sana alam mo to.
Samantoray said, galing mo yan.
Galingan mo yan.
Galing mo yan. Oh, sige, ikaw na.
Eto. Feeling ko, hindi ko sure kung alam mo to, pero try natin.
Isa pa. Oh no, di ko alam. Isa pa.
Wait.
Damn, this is hard. Tagalog or English? Oh, shit. Okay, let me think a little harder. Go. Looks like saying like Dolce and Gabbana or something. Ano ba yun?
Almost. As in,
Dolce and Gabbana.
right
Isa ba?
with Dolce and Gabbana. Isa pa.
Talaga?
Hindi mo alam to? Tagalog word for Christmas Eve.
Oh, di ko alam.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko alam. Pero gusto ko, I want to learn.
Noche Buena.
Kala ng Dolce and Gabbana.
Noche Buena. I almost got it to pronunciation.
I'm gonna learn this forever. I'm gonna write it down.
Spanish word, Noche Buena.
Oh, noche. Yes. No, I did know that pala. My pinsan.
Kasi sa Spanish, diba, parang Buenas noches.
Okay, noche.
Noche Buena.
N-O-T-T-E?
No, N-O-C-H-E. Noche Buena.
N-O-C-H-E. Buena. Ah, gets ko na.
Buena.
Christmas Eve.
And New Year's Eve is Buena Noche.
Buena noche. Christmas Eve. Sorry guys, just, doing some Tagalog 101. Salamat po.
Oh, diba? New word.
New word. And I feel like I'm not
Buena.
going to forget because we're playing a game. Media noche.
Isa pa?
Ako na.
Sige, go na.
I think this one.
Frosty the Snowman. Frosty the Snowman.
Tama. Galing.
Ang galing. Wow.
Wow.
Madali pala talaga pag Christmas, no? Kasi alam mo na lang.
Totoo. Pero medyo mahirap kapag Tagalog.
Ano ba?
What are you guys up to right now?
Ano pong mga Tagalog?
Anong plans for Christmas kayo? Hello, user. Hello, Ernest Chu.
Ikaw, Frankie, what's your plan for Christmas since you're there?
Yung ate ko, yung kuya ko dito. So, baka medyo maliit yung gathering. Pero, yeah. Kasi yung nanay ko, sa New Zealand pa. And kailangan ng quarantine pa pag umuwi siya. So, hindi sulit yung trip kapag. So, yeah. So, 2 weeks. 2 weeks in quarantine after 1 week
That's
here.
a lot of time.
Pero sana like sana like maybe in a few weeks, maybe they'll lift it. Pero di ko pa alam.
Yeah.
Ikaw,
Wala lang, just here with family.
like last year, di ba? Yung mga
Like
pinsan.
last year, same with last year lang.
That's fun. New Year's was so fun last year. Your cousins put up fireworks for us. It was so fun. We
Oh.
got so drunk. Diana woke up on the floor, and I woke up on the couch. And your mom? What did your mom do?
Have you told them about this, Frankie?
Alam, did we tell you this?
I think not yet. Alam niyo ba, yung last memory namin nung New Year, 12:01.
There's a video of us getting the fireworks.
12:01 a.m. Nag-video kami ng fireworks, tapos the camera was so shaky. 12:01. Yun yung last,
For some reason.
yun yung last, last picture namin nung New Year. 12:01. Tapos after nun, we passed out. Tapos we passed out on the floor.
Like, Happy New
Nuhat
Year!
lang kami ng mga pinsan ko. Frankie fell on the grass, fell off the ground.
You're the one who woke up on the ground.
I woke up on the ground, but in the carpet, ikaw, you fell onto the grass. Diba? Kasi you were sitting down daw. Tapos, you slid off your chair.
Having too much fun. Diba? Wait, I couldn't. We can't.
And I woke up on the floor.
We didn't know how to handle it.
Oh. We had too much fun. We had too many drinks. Sobrang aga pa nun, diba? We drank too early.
Totoo. Oh my gosh, your cousins are probably like, are they okay? Don't be like us, guys. Don't be like Frankiana.
But I promised myself this year I'm gonna witness the whole thing. I'm not missing this New Year. So I won't be drunk the whole year next year, diba?
Yeah. I feel like the first 10 minutes of your 2021 will say it all.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why 2020 was so crazy.